Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on here today to do like a cooking video. As you can see, I have seasoned these chickens with Cajun seasoning. I'm going to throw these in the air fryer. So it's Cajun seasoning, parsley, red pepper, a little bit of onion powder. You know I have to do garlic powder. That goes in everything because I say so, and it keeps away energy vampires. So join me for this video on all of this delicious keto food that I'm cooking today. So let's get started. We're going to throw these in the air fryer, and I'm going to turn these to 25 minutes. While that is in the air fryer, I'm going to chop up my vegetables that I'm going to be roasting in the oven, which I'm going to do Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, and peppers. Once you get these all in the bowl, you want to season them. I put a little bit of avocado oil on there. I am going to season them with Italian seasoning, oregano, garlic powder, and some pink Himalayan salt, and just going to give it a good mixture with my hands. And get your hands up in there. Your hands gonna get dirty. Get them up in there. This is what makes it taste good when you're giving it that good love. Look how pretty these colors are. So here is what the wings look like halfway through. I just flipped them over. I'm going to put them back in there. While they're in the air fryer, I am going to prepare, of course, you guys, if you watch my channel, you know I love to cook with garlic and tomato together. I love to saute that with some shrimp, scallops, any type of seafood. I love cooking anything, basically, seafood or not. I love these two combinations together. They just make everything taste so good. So I'm just going to chop these up for my meat, and then we're going to work on our spiral zucchini. So here I'm just going to line my pan with avocado oil because it is time to get this thing to sizzle. So also, you guys, I'm going to give you a little tip on how to cook pasta zucchini. Like when you want your zucchini to be in replacement of the noodles, After I take this out the pan is still hot. I just put the zucchini in there and just kind of rub it around the pan. And then I let it get warm. I turn the burner off and I let it get warm. You see how I'm kind of squishing it around the pan, flipping it over. So then I put it on a plate. And the reason I do it this way, because your zucchini is going to soften up when you put that hot food on top of it. Whatever you cooked, when you pour that on top of it, it's going to make the zucchini soft. And I don't like the zucchini to be like really wet and mushy, because zucchini is full of water. So once it hit heat, it starts to, release the water from it, which causes it to be so soggy and like mushy. I don't like that texture. So I found doing it this way, it gives me that in between. It's not hard and it's not soft. It's like perfect. So there is my tip for how to do pasta zucchini. Okay, you guys, so now it is time to take the vegetables out and look at how delicious these look. Can't wait to dig in. So here is what the pasta and crab meat and shrimp look like. And now I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite drinks. This is like a dessert drink on keto. Oh, that's good. Wow. Oh my gosh. So good. I'm just going to put a little bit more heavy whipping cream just because I am who I am.